everyone. It's still our second day here at Dusit Thani Resort. So it's going to be a slow afternoon. Gusto lang mag-swimming ni Cyril dun sa infinity pool. So tara, sama kayo. Swimming tayo. Okay, andito na sundo natin. Hello, Ryan. Good afternoon. Ay, hindi na pa tayo magdadala ng towel? Or pwede doon? Meron ba doon?
May towels naman po doon.
Ah, okay. Sige. Thank you.
Saan po tayo magsa-sunrise or
Sa, yung infinity pool, sa,
Actually, dalawa po yun, ma'am.
yung dito sa ano ba to?
Sunset? Or...
Malapit doon sa may pinag-check-in natin kahapon. Sunset
sige
ba
po,
yon?
Sa sunrise po.
Ah, sunrise yon. Okay. Ay, dito pala ako. Sorry, ma'am. Ayan na. Excited na si Cyril. Sakto, wala ng araw. Is this the pool you want? Yeah. Okay. Saan? Oh, okay. Sige, tara. You want there? Okay, come on. Yeah, check mo muna. Ganun din, 1.20 meters. Kagaya dun sa... Ganun din yung sa room.
120 lang ba yan?
Oo. Tapang talaga.
I remember when I almost float in the other vlog.
Sa the Lind. Oh, go float.
Why?
Daddy wants to test if you're still a good swimmer. Wow. Wow. Okay, lakad tayo rito. Hindi tayo pumunta banda rito kanina eh. Habang nagsuswimming si Cyril, let's explore this area. So ito yung ang tawag nila rito, this is the Sunrise Beach. So ito ata yung beach part na pwede kang mag-swim. Yan. Tapos ayun si Cyril. Dito rin yung kayak. Lakad tayo rito. Doon pala kami galing kanina. Nakikita nyo ba yung mga bamboo na yon? Yung pag mahangin tumutunog. Grabe oh, walang katao-tao. Tingnan mo naman. It's just me. Lakad tayo dito sa beach. Dito hindi ganong mabato. Yung kaninang pinuntahan natin, mas mabato. Let's try the water. Oh. Sakto lang siya. It's not malamig. Pwede kayo maglakad doon. Ayun na silang dalawa. Andun na yung daddy niya. Hi! Am I gonna join you guys?
Hey, want me to go underwater?
Okay, go.
Okay, can I have the camera?
Ay, no, later na.
Why?
The sounds, it will be muffled.
Okay, look.
Okay. Grabe yung hinga. Sabi ni Sir Reed, bibili daw siya ng beach ball. Uwi na tayo sa isang araw eh. Ayan, dahil... Sige. Hello. Hindi na ako papasok. Basta ako. Sila na lang. Thank you. Yung ngiti niyo. Did you say thank you to Daddy?
Thank you.
Mura lang, no? 133. In-expect mo kasi sa gantong lugar, overpriced masyado, pero hindi. It's just 133 pesos. Okay. Oh, where are you going? Ah, okay. I'm hungry. Order tayo ng merienda. Ay. Oh, okay. Ito lang pala yun. Okay, let's see. There's going to be a sunset. Ayun, nakikita mo yung araw. Tapos andito tayo sa Sunrise Beach. Nasa kabila siya. Ayun ang sunset.
Mommy.
Yeah, girl.
Okay.
Okay.
Guys, look at this. Okay. This is gonna be funny. Happy.
Uy. Are you okay? Okay, nandito na yung sliders and the fries. We're just waiting for the pizza. Are you hungry?
Yes.
Okay, dig in, girl.
Okay, give me the fries. Give me the fries. And look at the menu.
Ay, it's inside. Why? Do you want more? What do you want?
I am melon.
Huh?
You have hot dogs?
Hot dog? I think they do, but it's like a sandwich. It's like in a sandwich form. In fairness, kahit yung fries ang sarap.
Sarap.
Yeah.
Yan, hen.
Try natin tong slider. Ito. Teka.
Et tu vas là, ça fait 2 fois. Je commence avec la balle.
Yan.
C'est 3.
Let's try the slider. Grabe yung beef. Hindi OA. Ang sarap. Ano? Diba? Nakakagulat pagkagat mo, ang sarap. Try it, girl.
Okay.
Okay, good. Because you eat steak now, so you can try the beef.
Okay, but I don't like the sauce.
Maybe just the meat.
Okay, give me a patty slice.
Ito.
Yan. Taste, yeah. Taste that one first.
I sure walang sauce.
Yeah, there's no sauce. Try it.
I don't know.
Bite the whole thing. Yan.
I guess it is.
It's good.
I guess.
Try it with the bread.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, nandito na yung pizza. Let's try it. Pizza surreal. Grabe yung cheese pool, oh. Okay. Try it.
Guys, I need something.
Sobrang fresh naman talaga yung pinyo.
Something. Is that a snake?
Ang sarap ng dough. Pero yung pineapple is too fresh for me. Okay, tapos na kami dito sa may Sunrise Beach. Lilipat kami dun sa kabila, sa Sunset Beach. O, diba? Andito na agad si Ryan. Yep. Thank you. you. Dito ata yung sa may pool. I'm gonna go to the beach. Pero hatid muna natin si Sir Real dito sa pool area. Wow. See? Eh, mas maganda pa nga dito eh.
Yeah.
What?
Favorite ko yung other.
Oh, fine. Okay din dito, no? Ang ganda.
Parang saan nga dito?
Mas maliwalas. Yeah.
Kasi siguro on siya. Okay.
Yeah. I'll go to the beach. Uy, high tide na. Taas na ng tubig. Ganda. Of course, experience natin yung beach dito. Let's try it. Oopsie, mabato. Ah! Medyo malalim agad. Lakad tayo banda rito. Ang ganda. Sarap mag-dinner dito ah. Look oh. Ganda rito. I love walking here. Yeah.
I just joined this already.
Yeah, of course.
I didn't even do it for like.
I'm gonna swim now.
Okay, come here now.
Okay. Give me a good swim first. Show me your floating.
Okay.
Floating?
I'll go under.
Okay, swim over there. Okay, impress me, girl. Oh, good job. Grabe, ang ganda talaga rito. Sarap mag-swim ng ganyan yung paligid, oh. Ano to? Sobrang exceeding expectations ng Dusit Tani Louis Plantation Resort. Wow, buong buo. I didn't expect it to be this nice. Hi guys! Hello! At inabutan na kami ng gabi dito. And mas maganda pa siya lalo. O, diba?
What time is it?
6 something. Maybe 6:20.
Oh.
Tapos dito sa likod. Scary. Ang dilim na dun. Okay, baka may mahagip pa tayo dyan. Dito na lang. Sabi ko, baka may mahagip pa tayo dyan. Dito na lang. Okay, pumayag din umahon ang little girl. Okay, we're gonna go back to the room and baka mag-in-room dining na lang tayo kasi tinatamad na kaming lumabas. Pero look, oh, ang ganda talaga dito. This is such a nice spot.
Because no one is hearing me.
That's why you wanna go?
Yeah.
You're scared na?
Ikaw dito, baby.
No! No! Oh my God! Humangin pa bigla. Oh my God! Hello! Limited ba yung sa in-room dining nila? Kasi tinitingnan ko siya sa menu, parang limited. Or pwede naman kahit sang restaurant doon.
Usually, yun lang po talaga.
Yun lang siya. Oh.
Usually, yung mga menu po nila ma'am is galing sa direct link po which is Western.
Yeah.
Pero, i-try nyo lang po ma'am.
Okay. Sige. Okay, we're here. Did you have fun?
Yeah. Oh, this must have
Okay, so ito na nga, nag-room service na lang kami. Gusto pa rin ni Pipo yung sinigang na tuna, no? At ako, syempre, sisig pa rin. Then we have yung inihaw na pampano. So, anyway, yun lang for today. Kakain muna kami. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye!